Hey, everybody, day 18 of my 30-day Raise My Vibration Challenge, where I ask myself every day, how can I serve better? And where I record my thoughts and what I come up with every day and share it with you guys who I've asked to hold me accountable, but also to provide me with feedback on what I'm doing and if I actually have good ideas, if this would be something that will be beneficial. And if not, if you have an idea of something that I could do that would be really helpful to you, then by letting me know that either in a comment below any of my videos in this challenge, or by sending me a direct message on social media or an email at info@hspcoachbarbara.com. I would love to hear from you. And this is, like I said, day 15. And the input of one of my supporters was that I could maybe do a top 10 or a top 5 video about different topics. He told me you have such a wealth of knowledge on a variety of topics, and it would be awesome to get your recommendations on the best books for topics for instance, high sensitivity or human design or personal development in general. And I love that idea. I indeed have lots of information. So it would be awesome to create videos about the top 10 or top 5 about different topics. And so one of them could be top 5s, top 10s about books in various categories. But what else would be awesome for you guys if I created a top 5 or top 10 video about maybe the top 5 or top 10 things about handling certain things? And then it would be nice to know what you want to be handling or strategies or whatever. So let me know in the comments below this video if you have certain things that you would like me to do a top 5 or top 10 type of video about. And if you have other ideas that could be really beneficial to not only you, but also to the rest of my community, then also please either leave me a comment below this video, that would be awesome, or send me a direct message or an email. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all of your comments and all of your love. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 19. Still going strong. Proud of myself. Yay.